Yesterday the winds were blowing steadily 20 miles an hour, gusting to probably 30. And I have these really awesome palm trees here that just look cool anyway, but I thought it was a perfect opportunity to take the Mavic 3 Cine up for a spin to see how it handles the wind. Also showing off some of the 120 frame slow-mo in 4K, which is a game changer for me because the Inspire 2 really does not do a good job at 120 frame at all. So this is something super useful. But here back in straight up regular speed, this was shot using normal color mode because I think I shot everything in C4K. And then I believe this shot was back in D-Log ProRes. But you can see how it handles the wind. It is just like a rock. And I'm flying right on the kind of downwind side of this tree also, where there would be maximum turbulence. And I'm in cine mode here as well. The thing just holds itself in position like a rock. Smooth moves, the gimbal is smooth as anything. Look at this move. It basically flew like there was no wind at all, like I'm in totally calm air. And you can see how that wind is just howling. So yeah, I would say the Mavic 3 handles wind like a boss. No problem at all.